My name is Joe, and in this video I will be showing you how to get rid of stretch marks from your body. Yes, now what exactly is stretch mark? Stretch mark or stripes on the skin are forms of scarring on the skin with an off-color hue which over time might diminish but will never completely disappear. We might also ask ourselves, what exactly are the causes of stretch marks? A quick weight gain, an extreme weight loss. It can also be influenced by hormonal changes in the body associated with pregnancy, puberty, and bodybuilding. Stretch marks begin as purple or reddish lines which can appear anywhere in the body. It's most likely to appear in places where a person has large amount of fat stored in, such as the back, thigh, breast, abdomen, upper arms, hips, underarms, and the buttocks. During this process, the skin loses elasticity and forms stretch marks, which in turn leads to a deflated self-image and stress in women and men. Stretch marks can sometimes be itchy. Truly, there are conventional creams available that you can get over the counter for you to remove stretch marks from your body. Most of these creams are quite expensive, but note this: the synthetic chemicals present in these creams can actually do more harm to your skin and eventually worsen the condition. That is why in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of stretch marks totally from your body. The method I will be showing you will not further harm your skin. It contains no chemical or synthetic chemicals that's going to do more harm to your skin than damage. And neither is it actually expensive. You can actually implement all this method at home. The first method is water. Yes, water is one of the most abundant free gifts of nature. With water in your hand, you have one of the most simplest tools of dealing with any skin deformities. Also, water moisturizes the skin and will always prevent it from losing its elasticity or the skin becoming dry. All you actually need to do is drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water, especially during pregnancy. This is to ensure that the skin can expand and contract easily without leaving any visible marks. The second method is to make a healing paste, which you will massage on the places where you have the stretch marks. Now get the following: 4 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, 4 tablespoons of aloe vera, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Once you have the materials ready, all you need to do is to blend this mixture very well and massage the mixture on the stretch marks. Make sure you do this before you take a shower or before going to bed. You need to ensure that you massage the mixture on the stretch marks gently and regularly. This is to ensure you have increased. The third method involves you taking in vitamin A obtained from fruits like carrots, spinach, melons, mango, watermelon, purple, pink, or red grapefruit, tangerine, and guava. When you eat this fruit, you speed up the process of healing stretch marks because the vitamin A from this fruit acts as an antioxidant, which is actually very potent for getting rid of stretch marks. Alright, that's the end of our video tutorial today. Do not forget to like this video and also share it with your friend. You can also recognize video lessons to your friends and families, at least help someone. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we upload new videos, you will be aware. Thank you.